Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about sulfuric acid. In chemistry, we have learned sulfuric acid is highly reactive, or you cannot touch it because it will start reacting immediately. Likewise are the people, so they are highly excitable, they're highly reactive. This is mentally and physically, so there is a lot of hurriness. They will walk fast, they'll eat fast, so a lot of hurry is there. But if we go to this is the soda, but if we talk about the syphilis, that this whole excitement will lead them to another kind of a weakness. So mental weakness, which will lead to a physical weakness. So lot of debility is marked, very much marked in sulfuric acid. See, the debility will lead them to where they will stop thinking about, or they will not be able to reply or give answers to your question. So that kind of an debility will come. They'll be in a hurry, but for what reason they don't know. So aimless hurry is something is in sulfuric acid. Another syphilitic aspect you can say is eccentricity. So the way they behave, the way they will wear clothes will be out of this box. So very strange, queer kind of an is also marked in sulfuric acid. Also, another underrated thing is that we don't usually use sulfuric acid for the injuries. So, in cases of an head injuries, we can also think of sulfuric acid. Stay tuned to learn more such about remedies, and also you can enroll in our e-university. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.